In this guide, you'll learn how to disable automatic restrictions on Instagram to enhance your user experience. Follow these steps to regain control over your account settings. Step 1. Open Instagram app. Launch the Instagram app on your mobile device and log into your account if you haven't already. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner to access the menu. Select Settings from the list. Step 3. Navigate to Account. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Account. This section contains various options related to your account settings. Step 4. Access Privacy Settings. Under the Account section, find and tap on Privacy. Here, you can manage who can see your posts and how your account interacts with others. Step 5. Adjust automatic restrictions. Look for the option labeled Sensitive Content Control or similar. Tap on it and select Allow to disable any automatic restrictions that may be applied to your account. By following these steps, you can successfully disable automatic restrictions on Instagram. Enjoy a more personalized experience on the platform.